why is movement so important when it comes to our health?
Yeah, so first and foremost, we don't want to be couch potatoes, right? We want to keep our body engaged. We have to move. Our muscles need movement. Our organs, our inner functions all require us to be, always moving around. We don't want to just sit around. We know folks who don't get enough exercise and who are just kind of laying around don't live healthy lives, and their life expectancy, is cut short significantly. And so one of the main things with movement, and I think we, all can relate to this, is keeping a healthy weight, right? I mean, it's so hard to keep a healthy weight, especially as we get older. You look at your younger self and can remember when you could eat anything, when you can eat any time. You could eat some fried chicken at 11 o'clock at night and, you'll be okay the next day, and you won't ever see, that scale increase. But now, I eat some fried chicken after 8 o'clock, it's a wrap. It's like you can't keep any of the weight off. It's so hard. I always joke, with my wife and my friends, if I had one wish, it wouldn't be to have a lot of money. It'd be able to eat anything I want and not gain weight. That would be my one wish. If I had a genie right now, if I had Will Smith right now from Aladdin, I'd be like, yo, let me just eat some fried chicken and it don't go to my stomach or anything. So that's the main thing. You want to maintain a healthy weight because, like for every pound you gain, that's like, 4 to 6 pounds of pressure on your feet. One of the main things that people, speak with me about is, they want to get more healthy, but, they may have excess weight, but then their feet hurt more. So if their feet are hurting, then it's hard for them to get to the gym, or it's hard for them to go on a walk. And it's like, how can I get out of this cycle? They've kind of, pushed past the mental barrier and want to actually do it. It's almost like quitting smoking. You first have to get it into your mind. And I know, I myself have gone through, cycles where I'll work out a lot, I'll move a lot, and then all of a sudden it's like, 2-3 months, like I'm not doing it. And then, summertime will come around, or spring is like, man, I've got to shed some clothes, because it's going to be shorts and short sleeves. And then you try to get back into the gym. So one of the things is just staying, mobile, wanting to keep that healthy weight and just being healthy. So that's the main thing. You want to keep moving, and you want that weight to not, you don't want to gain that weight. You want to just keep going.